Shredder DLK600 uses Caterpillar track, hence it secures safely so you can work on any shaped terrain with this. All functions are hydraulically operated so that feed speed rate and particle can be controlled, and since Eaton drive motor is installed, more convenient movement is achieved. Through a hook-type supplier, the material is supplied effectively. A double-sided crushing blade is installed to it, and by using double shock absorber, it can be used longer than before. The discharge port is designed to be rotated 360 degrees, so the sending direction of the shreds can be adjusted. Daerueg Machinery. Green company thinking the environment first.